Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darrell Addison at torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison at torpedopot.com. These are self-growing planters, okay? They grow your food for you without you having to be there. And that's what they've been doing with these tomatoes. We're growing about 150 tomato plants in these planters. I want to focus on this one planter right here and give you strategies on how to manage your tomato growth. This planter once looked like this. And look at all those blossoms on that planter. Can you believe that? Man, that one plant looks fantastic. And I'm sure that's just one. It's got many more in there. But my focus today is on this planter. First, I want to count the possible tomatoes in this one planter. So there's 1, 2, 3. Now, not counting the tomatoes that are going to come. I'm only counting the ones that I see on there right now, okay? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a small one there. 6. Oh, sheesh. 7, 8. One behind it is 9. Another one is 10. There's 11 one. One behind that is 11. 12, 13. 14, 15. Wow, this is a complicated one. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 behind that. Sheesh, man. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So let's stop right there. 32 tomatoes on this one planter. Okay, that's a lot of tomatoes. Let's take a time and just look at what's going on here. 32 tomatoes. Now the question is, what percentage of tomatoes are still yet to come? Because if we have 32, we really want to understand what else is going on here. Okay, so let's take our time to just look at all of this. Now, let's look at the flowers on these and see what potential there's still left on it. So, this one has 2 tomatoes, which is 1, 2, follow the stalk right here. There's no more coming out of that stalk, at least not yet. So let's just roll that out. A leaf coming out of there. Stalk is still coming up, so the stalk ends here. 1, 2. We have 3, 4. 4. We're looking at 4 total out of this one plant so far. Potential, okay? Just potential. 3, 4. Make sure I got the right plant and all the attachments that's coming out of there. Yeah, 4. Let's say 4 for now, okay? All right, so a total of 4 tomatoes, potential. So 4 times 17, let's round it off to 15, is about 60 tomatoes based upon that one plant, okay? Let's grab another plant. Let's say we grab this stalk right here, follow it right on up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on this one, right? 6. All right, it's coming up. There's more here, the same one, which is 7, 8, 9. All right, and then has the same vine V's up over here, comes up here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 tomatoes total out of this one plant, okay? Oh, 13, and there's more up here, I'm sorry. 14, 15, 16, 16. So let's say we're 16 out of that one, okay? And when we counted 4, remember, that's not finished yet, okay? But we counted 4. 4 in that one. So 16, I think, out of this one, 4. Oh, man. So 16. Now let's grab a third plant and see what the potential is. Jeez, I don't know what to grab next. I'm so baffled. Let's take this one right here. Okay, you follow this up here, and what do we have here? We have 1, 2. All right. All right, let's come up further. So there's one branching V that's coming out. 2. We have 3, 4, 5. There's small ones that are coming up, flowers. 5. And still, we're branching up to this point right here. And it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So only about 13 on one. 16, 13, and 4. Whew, man. Oh, I can't say it's 4. 16, 13, and 2. Oh, yeah, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. 16, 13, and 4. It's pretty accurate. So, I don't know how to throw that as an average, but again, each seed is different. Don't think because you have a seed it's supposed to perform the same. They're going to be different. Let's take this one right here. I like this because it looks really interesting. This one right here. Let's try this one. Follow it on down. And it comes up, and we can see that it has right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, it feeds up into 2 parts. That's very interesting. Let's try the first part. Well, let's try this part first. What did I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. V's up, and it's 7, 8, 9, 10. And this branch is off. That's just a leaf. That's all. 10. And then we have the second V that comes up and branches off. 10. Sheesh, it's really entrenched in here, isn't it? 10. So let's see if we can get to that one. 10. 11, 12. 11, 12, 13, 14. About 14. Probably more. Just missing a lot. So do 14, 16, 18, 4. That's quite a mixture, okay? So I want you to see what's going on here. Now, what I'm doing now is that I'm giving a solution of a 3-12-12 mix. I did a second round of cuttings. And to show you how much came off the plant, all you need to do is look at this right here. All of that came from off that plant. All right, and these are just limbs that I've cut off of this plant in order to maintain and control it to what I want it to be. So already it looks like that we have about, I don't know, 70 tomatoes so far on this planter. Potential flowers, if we get an average of 10 flowers per 17, it's about 170 tomatoes if they all bloom. So we're looking at 170 tomatoes from this one planter on an average, okay? Each planter will be different. So I'm gonna cut back each one of these planters, and then we'll be able to count and understand what's on these planters, what's growing and what's going on. Darrell Addison, TorpedoPot.com.